Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the new update of Windows 10 2021 8.2 and what are the new features of this actualization. Among the new features, we're gonna show you the news and interest panel, Windows mode, something new in Microsoft Edge, Windows Magnifier reading text aloud, and much more. First of all, we have to open the Windows settings. To do it, you can type in settings in the search bar and select it. Once we are in the settings window, we have to look up for the item named Update and Security and select it. Now, if you don't have the actualization as I do here, don't worry, just click in Check for Updates and let the system search for it. Once you have the update ready, select Download and Install. Now, just wait until the update is installed and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, open the settings panel and check for the updates again. Windows will finish the installation. Now, to check if everything is okay, you can view your update history. As you can see, the update was successfully installed, and now you can see what's new in the update by pressing See what's new in this update. Stay up to date while staying in your flow. To quickly check in on the latest headlines, weather, sports and more, open news and interest on the taskbar. Get caught up with a glance, then get back to what you were doing. You can find this here at the bottom right corner of your screen. What's your favorite mode? Make sure your apps and app tiles stand out with light or dark mode. Select Start, Settings, Personalization, Colors. Under Choose Your Color, select the color mode you prefer. Let's check it out. Here you can choose between dark. I really like this dark mode. I'm gonna leave it that way. Or light mode, whatever you prefer. Let's go to the next one. Keep tabs on your website tabs. When you're on a frequently used website and have a lot of tabs open, pin that site to your taskbar. Then just hover over the pin to see a preview of all the open tabs. To pin website to the taskbar in Microsoft Edge, go to Settings and More Tools, Pin to Taskbar. To check it, let's open the SoftwareKeep website and we're gonna pin it to the taskbar. So, More Tools, Pin to Taskbar. We have it here. Quickly jump between open web pages with Alt-Tab. This is an exclusive feature of Microsoft Edge. Have Magnifier read text aloud. Let's make the Magnifier read this text.
Magnifier, the screen magnifying feature that comes with Windows 10, can also read text aloud. To use it, turn on Magnifier in Settings or by pressing the Windows logo key ++ sign, select Red from here, then use your mouse pointer to select where you'd like to begin.
Add emoji from your keyboard. Express yourself however and whatever you want. Press Windows logo key +period to open the emoji panel. So doing it right now, and here it is. Take a snip of what's on your screen. Press Windows logo +Shift+S. Well, if you're subscribed to our channel, you'll notice that this isn't a new function, but it's really cool if you didn't know about it. But in case you missed it, I'm leaving you here a link so you can go and check it out. And that was all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.